Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I have found the most amazing pizza pans. Now, I live in a small home, so anything that can be used for multiple purposes is always a win in my book. These pizza pans from Norjac have been so amazing, not just for the store-bought pizza that I have to admit I love. I love frozen store-bought pizza, but also for roasting vegetables or pan frying things. I prefer a soft crust on my pizza. I just like it to be chewy and yummy, and having no holes in these aluminum pizza pans is ideal for that. I've done pan-fried salmon with them, and the skin came off really easily when it was time to clean. I've also roasted different types of vegetables, and it just has worked really well. They are lightweight and durable, and they're 12 inches, so they really are that perfect size for my favorite frozen store-bought pizzas. I think these Norjac pizza pans have been perfect for everything that I have needed to bake. I really enjoy using them, and that's my point of view.